So we have four types of linked list. One is singly linked list, another one is doubly linked list, third one is circular linked list, and fourth one is circular doubly linked list. Okay. So in singly linked list, we can have data part and address part, where the address part will connect to next node. In doubly linked list, we have two reference part. That is, one is data, and one address pointers to point the predecessor, and another address point to point the successor. So we can have bidirectional traversal. That is the main objective of doubly linked list. Whereas what a circular single linked list means, the same like single linked list, but the last node connected to the first node. How I can make it possible? In single linked list, what is the value will be here? What is the value will be here at the last node?
Null, ma'am.
Null. It is null. Yes.
Null.
But here what we are doing, instead of null, we are placing the first
Start
node's
node.
address. Yeah, exactly. First node's address. It means it is circular. Okay, it is not, it is beginning, it is end. It looks a circular because it will make operations very easy to do some many operations. So we are having in this way. And here anywhere we could see null link. Anywhere we could see null link? No, because here all the node have the valid address. There is no more pointers, I mean null pointers are used here. So all node have valid address which is pointing to the next address. Of course last node connecting to the first node's address, so that we can make the circular connection. And as usual, anyway, we have to track all the nodes to, in that way we are storing the first node's address in the start node, special node called the start node. We are have storing the first node's address. That's all. Okay. And what are the operations we have seen in a singly linked list and doubly linked list? What are the operations we have seen?
Insertion, deletion.
Creation, insertion, deletion.
Yeah,
Insert
we
and
can
deletion.
create linked list, we can insert a node or delete a node, or you can traverse.
Insert.
Yeah. In
Delete.
insertion, here it makes very easy. You can insert at the beginning, you can insert at the end, also you can insert at the intermediate position also. So these many options are there. So for both linked list and doubly linked list, we have seen the insertion operation. Now we'll see circular linked list, how it is possible. Okay. First step, you have to create the list. Yes, first you have to create the list. So as usual, to create a node, what method we are calling? New node is equal to,
Get node.
everyone can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So new node is equal to get node. So what are the programmatic line we have seen under get node? Can anyone tell? Under get node, what are the thing we have to do? Nitish, can you tell under get node what are the things we are doing?
Create new node, ma'am.
Yeah, creating new node. What are the things we are doing? Can you recall? First step is you have to create a reference using structure, but you have to create a structure variable, structure pointer variable. Yes. For example, node star new node. And you have to create the memory allocation, correct? Using malloc, you have to create the memory allocation. And what is the next? You have to read the data. And what is the next? You have to assign the address part as, guys, you can unmute and answer. Address part as, address part as,
Address of the new node.
no, initially new node data we are putting, and what
New
about,
node.
what about, yeah, exactly. Ankit, you are right. Address part always we are making null, because while creating we know which is the next node, which is going to be a next node. Yes. And if it is a first node, we are making new node is start is equal to new node. Okay. And just listen, each and every time while appending to the end, it is same as singly linked list. So if you want to append to the end, first you have to reach the end. Yes. Then you have to make then you have to make it a connection. We'll see with one example so you will understand better. For example, I'm just going to insert a node at the beginning. Okay. I want to insert a node at the beginning. As usual, we want to call get node method to create a node. And if it is a first node, you have to assign that new node's address to start. This and all we know very well. But if not, if that is not a first node, then you have to insert at the end. Yes. First, I will show you an example. Can everyone see this paint screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, this is how many nodes are available now? How many nodes are here?
4, ma'am.
4 nodes
Four,
are there.
four.
Yeah, 4 nodes are there. And what is the difference? What could be the difference comparing to singly linked list here? Here I'm having
Instead of null,
exactly. Yeah, at the last node, instead of null, what we have here? 100.
The
That
address
is,
of first node.
it is pointing to the first node. Very good. Okay. Now in this situation, how I can insert a node at the beginning? For example, consider this is a new node. Okay. For example, I'm having a value. For example, I'm having value 50, and initially it will be null, because when I'm creating new node, initially it will be null. Say for example, it have address 500. It returns address 500. Okay. Now I want, guys, don't scribble. Now I want to make this new node as a first node. First, let me understand logically what are the changes we have to do. What are the changes we have to do? What are the changes we have to do? Anyone can tell? What are the changes we have to do to make that node as a first node? That is, instead of null, we have to keep
100.
exactly
100.
100. And anything else? One change is correct. Very good. Instead of null, we have
Start start equal to new node, ma'am.
very good. Start should be new node. Very good. And what else? That's all. Enough. All changes we have done. Guys, that's all. You have to change the start address and this null pointer. Any other changes? Any other changes?
Last node should point the new node, ma'am.
Exactly. Because last node should point to the first node. That then only it will become a circular linked list. Yes. So how I can make, instead of this 100, what I should do? Instead of this 100, what I should do?
500.
Exactly. Okay. Yes. Now you understood logically. We'll try to do the same thing with program concept. Okay. I'm just assigning variable last. Okay. Initially I'm just using last variable. Here you could see now. I'm just assigning start value to last. Okay. So you only told we have to reach the last node. So you know very well how to reach the last node. First you have to check in single linked list how you reach the last node. We're just using temp variable or any other variable. You will check it is whether it is next equal to null or not. Yes. But here how you will check? How you will check whether you reach the last node? That node's next should be, I will see who is still
be equal to the first node.
exactly. Good. That is, last node next should be start node. It means you reached the last node. Okay.
First
So,
node.
yeah, I'm having the variable called last. Okay, I'm just checking. I'm just starting here. Whether last next to start, no. And I'm changing last to last next. Next node I'm coming, and I'm just coming whether this last next is start, no. And I'm just jumping to next node. Again, I'm checking whether last next is start, no. And I'm coming to next node. Whether this node's next is start, yes.
Yes.
So now I'm here. This is my last node. I reach the last node. Okay. And this is last node. This is new node. This is start. Now tell me programmatically what are the changes I should do? That is, new nodes next equal to, new node next equal to,
last node.
how to last node? New
No,
node.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
New node next equal to 100.
That 100 where you will get?
node next
Start node, ma'am.
Exactly.
Start
So,
node.
is
yeah,
equal to
what
the
is
first node, ma'am.
exactly? What is the
We are
first?
inserting at the last. New node
Yes.
should be the first.
New nodes
We start
next
with
is equal
start.
start you are changing, and last next equal to
New node.
new node, and start equal to
New node.
exactly. That's all. Now we will see the everything correct whatever we have done. New nodes next should be start, and changing the start as new node, and changing the last node pointing to the first node. Is that clear? This concept, programming concept? Yes? Is it
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easy? Yes. So first you have to reach the last node. So I'm having one dummy variable called last. Each and every time I'm traversing, after reaching the last, I should do the 3 changes. In exam also, you don't mug up. Please don't mug it up. You can't understand. Like this, if you understand logically, then you yourself can write the code without mugging. Okay, so after reaching first you have to imagine like this, then you can easily write the code. So after reaching the last node, you have to do these 3 changes. This is all about how to insert node at the beginning. Next we'll see how to insert node at the end. So first we'll see the some logic concept. I'm just
Ma'am, your voice.
what, Ankit?
Ma'am, your voice was very low.
Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Guys, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now we will try to insert at the end. Okay, I'm just moving this whole area. We'll try to insert. Okay, we'll try to insert one node here called new node. Same thing we'll have. Data part, everything will have. For example, same, we have value 50, and as usual while creating new node, the address will be null. Say for example, the new node address is 500. Okay, now now my last node, I'm going to append at the last place. Now what are the changes you have to do? Now how many changes you have to do? How many changes you have to do? Can anyone tell? Now I'm
Ma'am,
going to
only two
append at
changes.
the end. So what are the changes I should do? Instead of
Last
100,
next.
yeah, instead of 100, what I should put?
500.
Exactly.
500.
And instead of this null, what should I put?
100.
That's
100.
very good. So 2 changes we have to do. Again, should we reach to the last node? Again, is it necessary to reach the last node here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyway, we have to reach the last node.
Yes.
So yeah, we were seeing past 2-3 days how to reach the last node. Again, you have to use the
Temp.
yes, while loop.
Last.
Yes. What is the end condition? Temps next should not be start. Till that you are making traversal. Okay. So now this last node will become temp now, and this is new node now. Yes, this is new node. Now tell me programmatically, temps next equal to
New node.
new nodes next equal to
Start.
Start node.
very good. Now we will see, is that right? Temps next equal to new node next equal to start. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it easy now? Akansha, are you getting? Akansha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Antima, is it clear, ma? Antima, is it clear? Monisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Monisha, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Arshia, is it easy? Arshia? Arshia, are you there? Arshia, are you there? So I will consider she is not there.
No, ma'am, I'm here.
Oh, is it clear? Can you get all the things? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Nagarjuna, are you able to follow? Nagarjuna, are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we'll see deleting a node at the beginning. Okay, deleting a node at the beginning means what are the changes you have to do? For example, I'm going to delete this node. I'm going to delete this node. That is first node I'm going to delete. So I don't want to traverse and all. Anyway, the very first node I'm going to delete. So what is the changes I should do? What are the changes I should do?
Then
Start
first
node
this
should
node is
change.
good.
Start node should change.
Start equal to
Okay.
200.
Okay. Start should be 200. And any
Start.
other changes?
Last
Yes,
node.
ma'am.
Exactly.
Last
Instead of
node
100, I should make
next is equal to start.
200, ma'am.
200.
200, ma'am.
Okay. Now you understand logically. So again, we have to reach the last. Should we reach last?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why, because in single linked list sometimes you don't want to travel till the end. For example, inserting at the beginning and all, deleting at the beginning, you don't want to travel till the end. But whereas in circular, you have to reach till the end every time. Correct? You should understand
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
That is why I'm explaining. Okay. But here, deleting node at the beginning, anyway, you have to reach the at the end. So we are tracking two variables, last and temp. Okay. I think temp, no need of temp here. So anyway, you have to reach the last. And what are the two changes you are doing? What are the two changes you are doing now? Anyway, this is start. Yes. What is starts next? What is starts next? What is starts next?
Second node, ma'am.
What is start next?
Second.
Monica, can you answer what is starts next? This is start. What is starts next?
300, ma'am.
Start. This is
No, no,
start
200.
now. This is start
Address
now.
of the
What is
second
starts
node.
next?
200, ma'am.
Yes.
200 address of the second node.
Good. Now the 200 should go to start. That is start is equal to start next. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, guys? Start is equal to start next. Correct. One changes we have done. And what is another changes we should do? See, start is equal to start next we have done. Okay. And we reach the last node. And what we have to do? Since we change the start node as 200. We deleted this node now. And instead of this 200, what we changed? Start equal start next equal. So what we changed here? 200.
Start equal to 200.
Yes, exactly.
200.
Now this is the last node. I'm traversing. I traversed and I'm just standing here because since I reached the last node, this is last. Okay. Now last next equal to
200.
200. That is
200.
programmatically
200.
tell last next equal to
Start.
start.
Start node.
That's all.
Start.
Understood? Everyone understood? Neetu Kumari?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these two changes, first you have to reach the end and these two changes you have to do. First you have to change the start and that new start variable you are going to keep in the last node. That's all. Okay. And we will see deleting a node at the end. Okay. Now you people only have to tell. Okay. I will ask anyone, you have to tell. I'm just deleting. Okay. Say for example, I'm going to delete this node. I'm going to delete this node. What are the changes I should do? What are the changes I should do? I'm just going to delete this node. I'm just going to delete this node. What are the changes I should do?
Ma'am, address of the last node will be 200. Instead of
So
400.
now it is 100. The first node is 100. Correct.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So instead of 400, what you have to change?
Ma'am,
100.
200.
100.
Why 200?
100.
100. ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 100.
Yeah, very good. So instead of 400, you have to put 100.
100.
Okay. So 100 anyway I can get from start. Where I can get from this 400 value? So I need to track while I'm tracking last node, I have to track the previous node also. Correct, guys? Here we are touching the previous node also. We should know the details about previous node also. Till now, we know how to reach the last node. Yes, guys? In
Yes, ma'am.
English, doubly, everything
Yes,
we
ma'am.
know how to reach the last node. But here we should know the previous node details also. So what we should do? Can we have one more variable to track that? Yes. Can we
Yes.
have one more variable to track? That is what we are doing. I'm just initializing both temp and previous to start. As usual, I'm just tracking. As usual, I'm just changing the temp variable to temps next. Also, I'm just tracking the previous also. So, while tracking, this variable will be previous and this variable will be temp.
Next.
And only one changes. That is what? Previous next equal to
Start.
Start node.
Start.
guys, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So only one changes. Okay. Now you understood where and all you should do the changes, how many changes you should do, everything you are clear? Yes, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So when you are inserting, what are the changes you should do? When you are inserting at the end, what are the changes, or deleting at the beginning or end? So if you understand, it is nothing. Very, very simple. You itself can write the code. Yes. So this is all about the types: single linked list, doubly, and circular linked list.